Hello. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the working of Superhero JS app. So as instructed, I have to make this app. I had to make this app only using vanilla JavaScript and HTML CSS. So I have kept it very simple and used only those technologies. So I have total of 3 pages. This is my landing page. I have one favorite superheroes page and one more character details page. So the first thing you have to do is you have to type the name of character you're searching here. So it will call to Marvel API and all the characters with that name will be listed down here. So suppose I was searching for Iron Man. So you can see I have this character Iron Man. So I what I can do, I can view the details about this superhero. So the details which consist of comics, series, stories and events will be listed here. Also I can mark this character as my favorite. So what I will do, I will go back to my home page and type the character name. And here the button is given add to favorites. So when I'll click here, this character will be added to my favorite list. So when I'll visit my favorite list from the dash from the nav bar, as you can see, this character is added in my favorite superheroes list. Also from here also I can view the details page. To show how this app is working in coding side of things, I'm going to tell you the folder structure, which is like I have three HTML files. One is for my dashboard page, which is landing page, and then for my superhero detail page and my favorites page. So the code in all these 3 pages are similar. So I will only explain the index HTML page. So as you can see, I have used this input for my search bar, and then I have this div, which is for empty content, which is an empty div. So when I search for a superhero in my search bar, what happens is this function get triggered, which is on every key up, this callback function is called. So since this callback function is called on every key up, this will hit the above function, which fetches superhero on every key on every character type. So I don't want that. So that is why I have used debouncing, so that whenever I stop typing, then this function will be hit. So as soon as I stop typing, this fetch display character function is it, and it calls this get superhero function, which utilizes the Marvel API and creates a hash using MD5 function. Creates a hash using MD5 function, which I have defined here. So as soon as I get characters from this fetch API response, I save it in the characters array which I have defined on the top. Then I change the inner HTML of my cards container using the characters that have been returned from my Marvel API. So as you can see, I'm mapping these characters and I'm creating a HTML out of all this data and I'm joining them. So I get all the divs of individual characters one after the other, and then I'm setting them into the character containers div. To add to add to my favorite character, I'm using local storage. So whenever I add my favorite character to the app, this get set in a favorites array, which is then set in local storage. This favorites array I've maintained on top. So this is getting set to local storage, and when I remove the favorite, it removes the character from my local storage. Hence, the change is displayed here. The working of other 2 pages is almost same, and as you can see, this is the work. This is my superhero JS app. Thank you.